Single-Storey in Petaling Jaya is very rare. When a good one comes to the market, it gets snapped up very quickly. That's exactly why Single-Storey segment is in high demand. And this is a single-storey in Taman Mayang. Currently, the design is a little bit dated, but it is good structure, empty canvas and full of potential. And we've done content like this in the past for both USJ 3 and Section 14. And if you haven't watched some of them, you may click it right here. And today, I'm showing you this single-storey freehold, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom with fully extended kitchen listed at 749,000. And if you are looking for own stay or investment below 800,000 in Petaling Jaya, why don't you follow me today and find out more? Let's go. If you look at the land size from the top view, the frontage is 23 feet and the length is 70 feet. Total land size is 1,610 square feet. If you look around the neighbourhood, majority of the houses here are double-storey. Some are a little bit dated, some are beautifully renovated. And from here, if you go out, you get a direct access to a LDP and Federal Highway, and it's only 12 minutes to a LRT station, Lembah Subang. Starting from the frontage, you get a double swing door auto gate right here, which make it very easy to come in and out. Currently, the car porch is fully tiled up, which is simple, nice and easy to maintain. And yes, you can park 2 cars side by side. And let's move on. This is the living hall. Let's check out the flooring first. This is a very classic stone chip terrazzo style flooring, and you often see this in 1970s to 1990s. And it may not look modern, but it is durable, long-lasting and easy to maintain. And if you look across the layout plan, it's a split up level, and this split is about 1 feet, and it separated the living and the dining area. And before I continue, let me quickly show you the layout plan. You enter into the living, flow into the dining in the center. Master bedroom on the left with ensuite bathroom, second bedroom on the right with WC in the middle, and the extended dry and wet kitchen at the back. This is the dining zone and the living zone, and the space looks very decent. And it may feel a little bit flat on the camera, but here's the exciting part. Let me show you how it looks like when it is furnished. With a proper sofa set, coffee table, TV console, lighting and decor, this whole area instantly feels warmer, bigger and more homed. So moving on, this is the master bedroom. The window faces the car porch area, so you still get a good natural light and the airflow. And the shape of this room is actually very nice and rectangular and very spacious. And you can actually turn this space into a 2 small room if you want to. The layout of this space is very easy to configure your furniture around. You can put your bed right here, dressing table and a full wardrobe to make it comfortable and modern. And let's check out the ensuite. It is functional, but yes, it's dated. So this home comes with a 2-bathroom and both will definitely need an upgrade. For a clean, modern, upper moderate refresh, for a bathroom, estimate around 10 to 15,000. And that typically cover new tiling, new toilet bowl plus fitting, shower screen, basic vanity cabinet, waterproofing and repiping work. So both bathroom combined, a realistic budget is around 20 to 30,000. This is a second bedroom. You can actually turn this room into a home office, guest room or study room. Currently, there's one door right here which open up to the backyard of this house, and my recommendation is that to create a shared proper bathroom for this room to make it more bigger, cleaner and functional. And this one change immediately open up the middle section, improve the flow for both kitchen, dining area and better functionalities. Alternatively, you can move this second bedroom to the left side, combine both bedroom thrown into one clean section. And suddenly your right side become beautiful, open kitchen from living, dining, dry and wet kitchen. Moving on, this is a dry kitchen with some cabinetry work. Next to it is a fully extended wet kitchen, and further down is a backyard for laundry area. So what do you think? How would you modernize this space? Comment your best renovation idea below and let us know, because we believe that the right renovation concept will make this home very special. So this is a very quick home tour and we've come to the end of our videos. And if you really like our content, do click the subscribe button on our Facebook, YouTube, TikTok and Instagram. And if you want to see the physical house, do contact the listing agent Maureen at the number below. Thank you for watching. My name is Jonathan from Jdot Media. I will see you next time.